Yes.
Cold world.
If you like pina coladas,
For the first time, it's going down. History, baby.
it going down.
In the South. East, turn it.
We turn up the bass. We blaze the fire.
Come on, Supercepticon.
Bang.
We turn up the bass. We blaze the fire.
Act the fool.
If you like
If you like
the cut man crew,
I said I like it like that.
if you like
if you like
the boss sauce, tell them to turn it up.
You pump it up.
I was tired of my lady. We've been together too long. Like a worn-out recording of a favorite song. So when she lay there sleeping, I read the paper in bed. And in the personal columns was this letter I read.
If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. If you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain. If you like making love at midnight, in the blues of the cave, I'm the love that you've looked for. Write to me and escape.
Didn't think about my lady. I know that sounds kind of mean. Me and my old lady falling into the same old routine. So I wrote to the paper, took out a personal ad. Though I'm nobody's poet, I thought it wasn't half bad.
Yes, I like pina coladas. Getting caught in the rain. I'm not much into booze. I am into champagne. I've got to improvise upon you. Cut through all this red tape. At a bar full of valleys, where we're planning our escape.
So I waited with high hopes, and she walked on the place. I knew her smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her face. It was my own lovely lady, and she said, "Oh, it's you." And then we laughed for a moment, and I said, "I never knew."
That you like pina coladas. Getting caught in the rain. And the feel of the ocean. And the taste of champagne. If you like making love at midnight. In the dunes of the Cape. You're the lady I've looked for. Come with me and escape. We turn up the bass. We blaze the fire.
Come on, Supercepticon.
bang.
We turn up the bass. We blaze the fire.
Act the fool.
If you like
If you like
the cut man crew,
I said I like it like that.
if you like
if you like
the boss sauce, tell them to turn it up.
You pump it up.